Hey guys, this is a old, I think it's a 2000 Chevy Silverado. We got rear-ended on high speed. Somebody's doing very fast and smacked it right in the back. And the damage is bent the frame. See right there. Snap this spring, so the other end's right here, and then it snapped it right there, and it bent the frame badly. So I tried to cut it up to get some ground clearance on the fender so it will not interfere with it rolling. And the diff is messed up, it's twisted, and it cleaned up, took a big hit. So when it got hit in the back, it spun around and then it hit a curb, and you see the wheel right there, the tire pop, and then eventually the car still runs. I can start it, show you a video on how to get it running, but this is a 5.3 LS engine with a automatic transmission, and it's 4-wheel drive. No airbag deployment, so I took some of it off already, but I'm just gonna part it out and get the engine, and we don't know yet what to do with this engine, so it might be going in there, because that one has it had a 3.5, and then it went to a 4.2, and now that 4.2 is not working properly. It's not computerized, so I might replace it with this engine. So the 4.2 is not OBD, so it's all it's not digital, so you cannot do just a regular check engine light. So you have to do a lot of tests on just to get it running properly. It's a dinosaur, it's obsolete, so we might need to upgrade it. So here we go. Let's just watch what's gonna happen as I tear this truck down. How to start a Chevy pickup truck. So you pull this thing out from over here. It has 2 small pins. Just pull it out, and then you switch it. Comes on. Step on the brake, then keep turning. How you get it running without the key. And then to turn it off, just like that. Tanggalin ko na lang. This is the teardown. We got it all cut up, and there's the ECU. So just unclip the ECU. There's some bolts in the back. Just unscrew it, then you're good to go. But don't cut those wiring harness. But the rest you can cut. All right, there you go. It's right by the back. All right, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a 5.3 LS engine from a Chevy Silverado. So I yanked this engine out of the Silverado that got rear-ended. So I got it out and I was able to get it running while it was still in the truck. So now I'm gonna show you how to get it running when it's off the truck, and the pinouts and everything like that. So right now it's on moving rack, and I got my improvised fuel with a return. The fuel pump is just a regular high pressure fuel pump, and what you need is there's a single wire which is running from this pin out. Hold on. It is this pink wire. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your ignition wire. Once you get the ignition, you're good to go. And this is your starter wire. It's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. There's a third one right here. And this one's like the first one, first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth terminal. So that's for your ignition. And once you have the ECU bypassed, the ECU will have a security, and if you don't have the security, it will activate it. It's whatchamacallit, you will have to have this ECU security bypassed. If you don't have, you can get it bypassed for $50, or it just depends if you have connections. But I got this ECU bypassed from a guy in Texas, and he'll only charge me $50. So right now we're running the stock ECU with the stock fuse box, and what else? And now we'll get it running. So I got a wire here for my fuel pump, and this wire is for my ignition. So we'll get it running. Let me set this up real quick. So we're gonna run one wire here for the fuel pump and one wire for the ignition. And then we'll fire up. So there you go. And what else? But I'll show you once it's on the truck. I was able to I'll show you how I got it running on the truck, and hopefully it will be helpful for you, like to get the vehicle's engine tested before you get it pull it off the truck. Even without the key, you can get it running.